Hello everyone, we are welcome on Ears Everflow. Here I'm going to show you setting of the local environment and workspace for Angular CLI. And so here, before you start to use Angular CLI, you should be familiar with the following, that is JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. You should also be familiar with uses of command line interface tools and have a general understanding of command shells. Knowledge of TypeScript is helpful but not required. So let's get started. Installation of Angular CLI. So using npm, pnpm, yarn, and burn we can do. I am using npm. So open the command prompt and here npm 10.9.2 I am using. So just copy this and paste here, then enter, and now our com- command is working. So now Angular CLI is installed, and so we can do something like ng hyphen version. Mhm. 19.2.7, and here now I am going to create one Angular app. So that is ng, and here you can see how they are creating. So ng new and then app name. This is app name. So command will be ng and then new. So new first app and just enter. I'm just using in CSS is well. Y, yes. So seems like the command there is a permission issue. So what I will do is I just do cd, then and here just doing enter, and then it's creating our application. Now it is done. So just use cd and then our app name cd, and then app name is first if an app, and we are inside our app. So after that, run the application. So ng serve, then hyphen open. Let's copy and paste it here. If you want to use to install Node.js using npm, so I have already a video where you can see how to install Node using npm. You can see that one. Meanwhile, let's build it, the application, and then it is running on localhost 4200. Yes, this is our application which is running. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with Years Overflow.